see Steve Mukwela, Makana Asam say, he can never be in Bella. They should tell him, Steve Mukwela, you can never be in Bella. Won't say, Sawabatsimu, Nadia, Okoya, Obeshan and Nino. What Jini India to with 21 goals. Ghana 4 penasem, Kotoko 4 penasem. Into Sawabana ube replacina. Ese would seem a normal. Say, ube pese. And then when you ya be start ya goals. Na ama pressure na bafom. Name China and far. You relax. Instead me say, on to me in Bella. He can only be Stephen Mukwela. So on one casancho, on one casana scripts. No nya email asem say yes sir ebeboa. You see the ama pressure na ba form kakra ne say Kotoko nya the results say yake and the results ni ko ya ka pressure ne beba no so more into relax no more no bo cause chances bog to go na ya do so
Mamusa ba my prince the message be bring me bo ma what the message you no cry examples or copy you know nya go so no be Timakwala nya time ma no make chances or say na goes on share oko team bi ma me sure say chances is here but two anima obo game bi na onya 2 onya 3 so start to convert
no clear
ye wo bi to say house player no junior kaba
yeah
onya bi
yeah
say house bobo na chance bi nya den ko be fudus ni ntimi fa ball no bi nya den enko na onya bi so mo ne Kotoko hwe the hold up play better say Makwela dia but onya chance ni bi wani mo it is a chances and start to say buy so convert
no credit
it's a conversion of chances na yeka
no credit
say ina kenya chance wagana
onya
bako na say
em say bako na recollect
yeah it dey to Ghana for na belemu ayi for no
strikers midfielders no yeah
once Ghana ni bi an belemu ina to presence
no but me personally I think that they are giving him the passes Senka ye benya on say ye pass before Kotoko e benya ne penalty no Japan pass ball bi de ma Steve Mukwela na Senka obenya sa ho ne de amamia Japan jibon Kotoko bench wo obi tie mu Steve Mukwela say Japan pass ball ne fama no o tie me ba television no so say Senka I'm say we are opa enyen o pass ball no demand o tie mu so pass ball no demand no into the services there eko pa well let's move on. Let me say omo argue say onjire ne ho no enye ne boni so kra what I say enye ne boni so kra onke kan ho chances ne ba on hye bi ken de to so mienu ene say na Yembo League this weekend you know I had to say Chelsea appointed Graham Potter na asem si ya na Yembo League or Premier League ni mo no enye de na mum we a club bi a take advantage it's one of those things that a boy we power England was Chelsea because they had appointed Graham Potter into afraid you benya time no wenya na sumwe a planning simba ko ye Liverpool sa Ghana ya de no me mpese e be kwa court issue mu asem and the court na be kan ho asem na mom ken had to folk and take advantage of week when we are young born and on me nyadwe enema mienu na misi so ken the ideal situation no say enka e was say had to folk ebo game against BBN this weekend omobo wi a eno na be prepare had to folk towards the CAF Confederations Cup and I'm ready so had to folk in proper game bia bobie o it can be BBN Gold Stars game no and e be assess had to folk team no send e be prepare for Red Bamako game no it is a young lega had to folk keka ho enkoye training wo pobima won kosia Red Bamako omungo friendly matches and koye mobile phone people na one mobile Premier League clubs na mo prepare mo yi ko already team na kasa no e si ni tirase so take advantage of this weekend mamon ko bo division 1 bia Accra teams na Lagos City for mo from no mo bobo mo prepare here for Africa because match bi any wo bio already who ni coach Inti the best way mean can say perfect kwa odi asam na esi. It to take advantage of the issue esi no. Therefore prepare we for Africa. Because in the team na si aye no. Se team no san so quotation wo Bamako ho a e the pressure and the beba team no so. They toss mienu and say within this period doctor is so what they have to folk board names now was because Heart of Folk need to appoint a coach. No coach, you know, at least only 1 week with the team and send them to Kwai Ako. Because I am sure.
Because the last time we say has a person upon board we are fine. But coach now Obano. A coach say or bro board so. And I sober. Has in your coach no mapam coach.
Has some way there. They tell say
because African next you see next week.
Omo plans no me dey na me.
And I didn't know any do
Africa no say Jordan. Say ekoba say omunya fa obia na Jordan na nka ni no ne beka bom dia akọ. So omunya fa coach. O say sere.
Na just say Broni no. I don't want
Broni no to kwan o say akọ no krom akọfa ne niam abo. Em so be ko Saturday we kra na say Sunday anopa.
Ana o mo fa adwuma na ma no no mo nkoi.
Broni no. So no onye na adwen so be ye adwuma sise. E na sise nkom ka say nkom bo bibie ni wi a na Broni no ko. Na akofa ne niam de aba. Minim the return ticket die. But nkobe ko weekend no ko.
That obe ko ba makoni be.
So bantam dia. What I say, but the real issue they say how to folk plans they say come for coach, but they say no anyway ye no coach be any what be as see.
Say prosper the NSC say ogum ne omode NSC say.
And so say you made that say they can 3 days 4 days ago ni nyina ne say prosper twetwe na ho no me dey me hu say sesa.
Wonte hwi bi Kwame what be bia na.
Oh yes, the minimfa ho ne say. At the time I talks in the course no. Initially at the time I na Samuel Buedu ho no has impanyimfo hia Samuel Buedu ana omde tu nanim say ompese omokofa prosperity ogum e ma ne beye technical director ama yes
mentia say what say
at the time Samuel Buedu ho no impanyimfo ene ne kasai so omokofa prosperity ogum ednaba
ama why then
technical director
e koso sa
yes nkomo koso sa then Emma Prosper Ogum Kachom say Onyanye ready for say Obabeba has because or other programs say done in until say a real World Cup no
nationwide sport.
Then na coach Samobo dun said am pene so sa per die minim no. Fast forward and almost suggest see Bruni no. I say onu momo ba be technical director Samobo du tiase. Ana eba kumasi a fufi anto ata omdi jan kwan no so nkoma ekoso between Samuel between House of Folk any Prosper Ogum ni say Ogum na ka cho mo say ono no program say da nanim and nim say me sure say okasa scouting team no the man the senior national team for the World Cup so as person o ye ni be after the World Cup
okasa team
yes sana me metete
scouting team based
likely
yeah
okay
sana metete so it seems
like scout country be
say your opponents
on be fight 3 scouts
your opponents now
yeah see and normally no oma you be form no ya form that the start year but on be announce on later on
and manager Kotoko adwuma na
they be
Kotoko adwuma dey on one see ujai Kotoko adwuma dey Prosper Ogum na see ujai
okay yeah but you see during the season there was a famous meeting between Samuel Bodu and Heart of Folk board. Now 2 issues and arise from it. One of it they say omo ka che Samuel Bodu so omo kofa technical director de aba Samuel Bekaya ye beka wo ha se kura say omo hia Samuel Bodu aka che so omo kofa technical director aba no odwen ho sen e na Bodu ka so ati ono ne be ye adwuma de tosumi ni sa meeting na so omo ka che ne say onko resign under 20 okay Emma Samuel Bodu the following day onko resign here what the HE yase e na area season ana hoy fenamfo in the Heart of Folk partnership, they decided say on befa obi no be Heart of Folk technical director because on the lazy between Heart of Folk, Hoifenam and Cincinnati. In Tisakoba some technical meeting. You see, partnership no ya chichem bebre your management dia ho you will be into technical aspects no enkoye Samuel Bodu ka ba ya broni no liaison with Hoifenam and Cincinnati. Now, that was the ideal plan had to focus fire until the decision to sack Samuel Bodu. But this is where we are at the moment. So one people do now our plan is say me the assume see any base in nine. Now I your proper plan pepe. Into Pamu Bodu now because say season not to our question. Acha the following day 2 days na obi fufra be she ho. Asumge aba. Na akam supporters ne down. But see I mean uti we see. Some appoint you be up to them. But there are you worried to have to folk fans out there and say so how to folk colleague ne baso anko mbebo bibiani without a coach. Some for be has to folk prepare for Confederations Cup. Why not early the team no? Say what have to folk training na ni no ine Jordan and a Brunini na OCC. Are these guys going to lead the team whilst have to folk playing the Confederations Cup now? So no issue sacking a coach. But if you want to sack a coach, someone should be in place. And yes, I'm in Kasan and Wako Pam the OCC. Inti bottom line, me issue me wopa 2 issues I may raising say. League na enyam masono. I thank you to Hatufuk. But Hatufuk should take advantage. They should take advantage.
And say omo your plan A and command your plan B and say your plan A and your coach prosper. So prosper and tuma na plan B be anyone to no more sign.
No, but that would be bad.
According to Aladia can be. Metie no my cause be almost say omunim di omoye. Baby a Kweku kano. Kweku was solid point because obi a fan or supporter has a folk. Obi and some troni also or person tea quarter a has and some onim di oba. Nipa enim se oba no e prosper ogum on na enim se on ye tete se ese oba. On so twetwe no ho so why na lead us
say wo fa coach Africa Ghana ha. Wo fa coach Africa Wima. Sisie ya.
All right, so I know see Kweku Edilson Kwame Dela and the Ben out is almost chipping in with opinions about the latest happening in House of Folk in Asante Kotoko camp. Now I'm sure has seen them basic making sure somebody subscribe. Right?
I don't wanna let myself down.